Hi, I'm Therese from Battery Junction, and today we're going to unbox the Hero by Folomov. Tactical features meet everyday carry convenience in this elegant design. The Hero has a tail switch activation, high lumen power, and strobe and SOS modes, while still remaining compact, rechargeable, and easy to use. In the box, you'll get your Hero flashlight, an 18650 rechargeable battery, micro USB charging cable, spare O-rings, and a holster for your light. The Hero has high portability, so you can take it anywhere you go. Keep it in its holster, use it in the field, take it out on an adventure, or simply keep it around for everyday use. This makes it a great EDC. All modes are easily accessed through the tactical tail switch. Single press the switch to cycle through the 5 brightness modes. You can access SOS and strobe by double-clicking, and you can momentarily activate turbo by holding down the tail switch. As far as recharging goes, we have a 3500 mAh lithium-ion battery that has an in-battery charging port. So all you have to do is plug it into a power source like a wall plug, computer, or power bank, and you're good to go. Now, let's go outside and check out the brightness modes. Alright, so we have 5 brightness modes. First is ultra low at 17 lumens, but you have a runtime of up to 150 hours, and I find this mode great for close-up tasks. Low at 125 lumens with a runtime of up to 27 hours. Medium at 300 lumens with a runtime of up to 11 hours. I found that this mode was the exact brightness I needed for nighttime walks. High is super bright at 700 lumens and it'll last up to 5 hours. This mode is really great for gaining situational awareness. And then Turbo has a whopping 2300 lumens. I'm really impressed by how far this one shines. It has a throw of up to 200 meters and I can really see a wide expanse of the whole area around me. Then we have strobe and SOS modes, both at 2300 lumens, which are perfect for emergency preparedness. So if you're looking for a new everyday carry light that can double as a tack light in a pinch, the Hero is for you.
Hey, so if you find yourself wanting a Folomov Hero, or maybe you want to check out some other flashlights, come find us at BatteryJunction.com. We've got a huge selection of flashlights, batteries, and gear available for you. If you have any questions about the Folomov Hero, leave a comment below. We'll help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a follow on socials. We're always posting about the latest and greatest in lights and also exclusive deals that you're not going to want to miss out on. So come find us out there, and we'll see ya.